How to delete photos from your Google business profile. Let's start off by first going to our business settings. The way you do that is go to Google and just search up My Business. Once here, you'll see that I have this store already managed. So let's go to our profile. Let's view it. Once here, let's scroll down and press this See Photos. And oh no, looks like I have a lot of photos I don't want. It's this logo that's probably not related to my business in any way whatsoever. So it should be obvious, but the way you delete the photos is just by pressing on this logo right here. Trash it, confirm, let's delete it, confirm, let's delete it. One more time, let's start from the beginning. The way you go to your business is go to Google and search up My Business. View your profile. Go to See Photos. And just press the trash icon on the photo you want to delete. Let's delete that. And just like that, your photos should be deleted. It's as easy as that.